Your eyes regenerate entirely every 7 days. Here's why that matters. Through a process called DNA replication, the body regenerates cells in your optic nerve and retina constantly, giving you a chance to regain optimum vision. Problem is constant screen time, blue light exposure, and environmental toxins trigger something called CPE, an uncontrollable inflammatory response. This inflammation attacks your eyes at a DNA level, blocking that natural 7-day repair cycle, resulting in loss of vision over time. Researchers at Yale and Johns Hopkins have found that certain herbs like biloba, bilberry, and saffron, in certain combinations, help protect against inflammation and repair the optic nerve. Prepared with highly absorbable ingredients and zero fillers, it's regarded as the best possible alternative to real surgery. Want to know more? Ask us, or scan the link for more information.